Whether you're still figuring out how to get that flat twist right, or you're looking for a classy hairstyle or a stay-home hairstyle, a quick gym hairstyle, or even a go-to-school hairstyle, whatever it might be, we are all on the same board and I've got you all covered. Hello and welcome to another video with JustAnwi, the channel where we share hair care tips, skincare, and make genuine friends in order to help uplift one another. And if this is your first time here on this channel, you're very welcome. Feel free to click on the subscribe button and also don't forget to press on the notification bell so that you will always be notified whenever I put up a new video. But if you're already a subscribed member, thank you very much for coming back, and thank you all for clicking on this video. So as I promised in my last video, I'm here to show you guys the protective style which I made on my hair after stretching my hair in that video. And if you haven't watched the video, I'll put the link in the description box below so you can go check it out. And I just want to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you for taking your time to watch that video, for the thumbs up, for the comments, and just the amazing feedback. It really means a lot to me and it helps me a lot with my overall impression on YouTube. So for this hairstyle, I decided to start off on already stretched hair, and you can decide to stretch your hair however you want. But I must say, for some time now, I have been practicing and trying to perfect my art of flat twisting, and I feel very comfortable now, and I think I have now mastered the craft, and that's why I can confidently share this video with you guys. I remembered there was one video which I posted about 2 weeks ago where I was struggling with my flat twist. I actually posted that video, but because my hair wasn't properly detangled, I really had to struggle with the flat twist that I created in the front. However, it turned out pretty well, but I think I got better with time. So yeah, I just decided to start off on already stretched hair this time around. So quickly, after creating a slanty part from the front to the back of my hair, I make sure I thoroughly detangle this first section and then start creating my flat twist. And as I twist the section to the back, I make sure that I grab small sections of hair and add it to each twisting hair that I'm twisting. I know I'm not very good to explain this process, but please just watch carefully and you will see how I achieve this flat twist style. And once I was done with creating the flat twist, I went ahead and twisted down the remaining section of my hair like a regular 2-strand twist all the way to the end, and made sure that I sealed the ends of my hair with a heavy butter. And once I was done twisting up that section, I just folded it up and pinned it down with a bobby pin and moved over to the other remaining half of my hair. And now on to this section. I will just go ahead like I did the first half. Make sure to thoroughly comb out my hair. And just make sure that the hair is well detangled and easy to manipulate. And once I feel comfortable with my hair being well detangled, I just go ahead to creating the flat twist. So as you see, I grab a very small section of my hair from the starting point, split that section into 2 halves and twist it against each other. And then as I twist down my hair, I start grabbing small sections of hair and adding to each flat twist that I create. So that is how I create my flat twist, and I hope it helps you or helps someone, or it gives you some hairstyle ideas. I know there are lots of other flat twist tutorials and videos, so you can check them out if you don't feel that I kind of showed off enough on this video. But that is how I did in order to create my protective hairstyle, and this was so quick and convenient. And once I'm done with creating the flat twist, I just go ahead and twist down the remaining of my hair. Once the two sections have been completed, all I do is just grab them, crisscross them in the back of my hair, and then just stuck them in the opposite sides of the flat twist. And you can use a bobby pin to just make sure you secure it properly.
내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나.
And that's it for this hairstyle. A very quick, easy and protective hairstyle. Once you've mastered the craft of flat twisting, you can create this hairstyle in really no time, and you are sure that your hair is tucked away, your hair is not rubbing against fabric or against your cloth and all that. So guys, if you like this video, please do well to give this video a thumbs up, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Share my videos, and until my next one, bye bye.